Good afternoon, good afternoon. All are ready? Chali. So let's start further. So design for static loading. Static load we have done, है ना? And also we have seen the effect of stress concentration factor. Theoretical stress concentration factor. Now we are going to see the effect of fluctuating loading, or you can say design against fluctuating load. Okay, this is also called your fatigue load. Okay, so write down heading fluctuating load. Fluctuating load. This is the type of dynamic loading, yes or no? So in strength of material, types of load we have seen. So dynamic load. Here the magnitude and direction or both of the load when changes with time, it is called your dynamic load. So with respect to time, the magnitude of load will change, so the magnitude of stress will also change. Direction of load may also get changed. Okay, so first we are considering the simple case. Let load is varying like this. Let us assume load is varying like this. Okay, load is varying like this. So if load is varying like this, you can find the maximum value of load. Also you can find the minimum value of load. Okay, maximum value of load and minimum value of load. So at the maximum load, the maximum stress will be like this, sigma max, and at the minimum load the minimum stress will be like this, sigma min. Yes or no? Now with the help of these maximum and minimum, first of all you can find the mean stress value. So mean stress will be given by sigma mean equals to maximum plus minimum by 2. Maximum plus minimum by 2. So this will be the value of mean stress. Second, there will be variable stress. Or you can call it stress amplitude, okay, so this will be given by sigma v or sigma a. It will be maximum minus minimum divided by 2. Maximum minus minimum divided by 2, like this. Okay, so this is called variable or stress amplitude. So here you can see somewhere here will be the value of mean stress like this. Okay, somewhere here will be the value of mean stress like this, and above and below the mean stress there will be the value of stress amplitude, amplitude like this. Okay, or you can say variable stress. Got the point or not? This is the point where stress is maximum, and this is the point where stress is minimum. Okay, so this is how, when the value of load changes with time, so value of stress will also change with time. This is called the fluctuating loading or fluctuating load. Clear? Now there are standard cases there. For example, if you consider loading like this, if you consider loading like this, loading like this, let's say this is the stress, this is the time, and stress is varying like this. On one side it is more, on other side it is less. On one side it is more, on other side it is less. Okay, so this side the stress is maximum, and this side stress will be less, or you can say minimum. Okay, so this side, all these peak point we are considering equal, and this side the stress will be maximum. Let's say this maximum stress is plus 100 megapascal, and the minimum stress is on reverse side, opposite side. Okay, so all these points are equal, so this will be, let's say, minus 20 megapascal. Okay, so for this case this will be called your alternating stress. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? This will be called alternating stress. Alternating stress or alternating loading. In this case, sigma mean will be your maximum plus minimum by 2. So maximum is plus 100, minimum is minus 20, divide by 2, so actually it will be 80 by 2, 40 बन जाएगा. So this will be 40, and it is not 0. This is 40 and this is not 0. Okay, second case, variable stress. This will be your maximum minus minimum by 2. Okay, maximum minus minimum by 2. ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर है ना सभी को? एक बारी बोल दो. कोई स्टूडेंट कॉल कर रहा है, क्यों कॉल कर रहा है भाई? ओके, क्लियर है ना? ओके, सो हियर this will be 100 minus of minus 20. It will become 100 minus of minus 20. It will become 120, है ना? 100 of minus of minus 20, 120 by 2. So this is 60. So this is also not 0 here. But if we consider next case, let's say completely reverse loading. Completely reverse. So in case of completely reverse, both side value we will consider equal. Both side value we will consider equal like this. Okay. So this will be called completely reverse stress, or you can say cyclic loading. This will be called completely reverse or cyclic loading. So the value of maximum, let's say plus 100, and value of minimum, let's say minus 100, both will be equal. Both will be equal. So in this case, we call it completely reverse or cyclic loading. Completely reversed or cyclic loading. Okay. So here mean stress, when you will check, mean stress will become maximum plus minimum by 2. Maximum plus minimum by 2. So plus 100 minus 100, it will become 0 actually. In this case, the mean stress will be 0. And the amplitude or variable stress, sigma maximum minus minimum by 2. So 100 minus 100, 200. So it will become 100. Okay. So it is non-zero. So it is non-zero. Now, stress or load can vary in any general fashion. Yes or no? Stress and load can vary in any general fashion. But study of this is very difficult. So we cannot study this thing. So standard things are what? Either it will be given you in this form, sinusoidal form, okay, and alternating stress will be the name, or it will be given as completely reverse or cyclic loading like this. Only then we can do the study. We cannot do the study for any general actual load. Actual load may be varying like this. Actual stress may be varying like this. So we cannot do the study of it completely. Okay. Done up to this. बना दो ये. बन जाए तो डन लिख दो इन दी चैट. Okay. So to simplify the problem, we consider the load either as alternating load or as completely reverse load. Okay. Or third, simple fluctuating, that can be also standardized. Let's say they standardize here only. Let's say they standardize here only. That only magnitude is changing, not the direction is changing. Only magnitude is changing, not the direction is changing. So let's say loading is like this. Like this. So in this case, always load is positive. Always load is positive. Okay. Maximum load is also positive and minimum load is also positive. So maximum stress is also positive. Minimum stress is also positive. Got the point or not? Yeah. या दैट कैन ऑल्सो हैपन. ये तो बस मैंने एग्जाम्पल बताया कि ये मोर है, ये लेस. देर कैन बी दिस साइड लेस, दिस साइड मोर. ओके. और समटाइम दे कैन गिव यू लाइक दिस. ओके. लाइक दिस फ्रॉम 100 to 0. ओके. So value can be any, but we standardize. We cannot do this study for any fluctuating load like this. We cannot do this study like this. Okay. So some standards should be there. Then only we can do study. Okay. So this is called your simply fluctuating load. This is called your simply fluctuating load or fluctuating loading. In this case also you can find the value of mean. Mean here, let's say it is plus 100 and it is plus 20. So mean हो जाएगा 100 plus 20 divided by 2. So it will become 60 and it is non-zero. 60 and it is non-zero. Second, you can find here variable 100 minus 20 by 2. So it is actually 40. This is also not. Okay. So different standard conditions can be there like this. ड्रॉ कर दो इसको.